What's up guys, Tony here, and today I'm super excited because I just received my brand new photo stick. Guys, the photo stick is an amazing product for anyone that wants their photos safely stored in something that they can hold. So we're gonna go ahead and open this up and see just what we got here. As you can see guys, this is a solid USB product. It comes with a cover on the USB part, which is great for protection. The other end is great if you would like to hook it up to your keychain or pretty much anywhere else you feel. Guys, the photo stick is 64 gigabytes and it holds up to a whopping 30,000 photos and videos. Plus, it's easy to use and it works with both Windows and Mac. All you have to do is simply plug it into your computer, open the included software, and press go. The photo stick will start storing all your photos and videos automatically. It's that simple, guys. And of course, once your photos and videos are safely stored on the photo stick, you can get them printed out, make a book, send them to loved ones, pretty much do whatever you feel like doing with them. Plus, another great thing is that you now have more storage on your computer to add new memories. Guys, this is an amazing product. Make sure you go and get the photo stick now. Trust me, you won't regret it. Thanks, guys.